Hi there! Welcome to this sequence of video clips where we will build a complete automated test case for regression testing. We covered a lot of ground in the first 4 videos of this series. We installed add-ons for Firefox browser, created a recording and enhanced it with additional fields and commands. Now it's time to run our test cases. We start baangt and choose to test run from the examples folder. For me, that will still be automation practice new. We don't need to change any further settings. Of course, if you want to execute in 2 parallel sessions or with a different browser, feel free to experiment. To get an idea of the possibilities, head over to read the docs and get familiar with the various parameters that can be used to influence test run execution. I will post the link again in the description of the video. As we execute baangt, the browser window will open and execute the test cases that are specified in the chosen test case definition file. I will speed up this part of the video again. As always, you can switch to slower execution in the YouTube settings dialog. Now we see that the test run finished and we can open the result file and check our results. So let's open the result file, which is again the file name baangt, the test run name and the date and the time when it was executed. As we open the file, we see there were 2 test records, 2 successful. The whole activity took a bit more than 2 minutes. In the output folder, we see 2 test cases are okay. One took 1 minute 17, the other one 53 seconds. There were no errors and no screenshots recorded. That's wonderful. Our regression test set worked like a charm. This last section is for developers and people interested in more details. As you know, baangt is open source software. Not only is it well documented, it also has extensive logging. Whenever we start a test run, logs are written that can help to locate problems after the execution. The log format follows certain standards. There is the date and exact time when the log entry was written. Then the message severity, which can reach from debug over info to warning, error and critical messages. Then we see the class and the method that issued the line. And finally the text itself. As we scroll through the log, you can see there is plenty of messages that can be used to analyze whatever happened. In the end, there is an info message telling us that 2 test cases were successfully executed. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of our content.